Imagine handing your iPhone 17 to a child for a quick game, or letting someone borrow it for a moment, only to find out later that apps were downloaded or in-app purchases were made without you knowing. It's frustrating, surprising, and sometimes expensive. The good news is your iPhone 17 has built-in controls that let you block unauthorized downloads and purchases instantly. Here's how to manage these App Store restrictions. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Screen Time. Enter your screen time passcode when prompted. In the Screen Time menu, go to the Restrictions section and tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Find iTunes and App Store purchases in the list and tap it. Under the Store Purchases and Re-download section, you'll see Installing Apps, Deleting Apps, and in-app purchases. Tap Installing Apps and choose Allow if you want to permit app installations, or Don't Allow to block them entirely. To manage purchases inside apps, tap In-app Purchases. Select Allow if you want to enable them, or choose Don't Allow to deny any in-app spending. Do the same if you want to restrict app and content deletion for App Store, Book, and iTunes. For extra protection, you can require your Apple ID password for every purchase. Set this to always require password, so every new download or transaction needs your approval. You can adjust these settings anytime by returning to the same menu if your needs change. And that's it. If this helped you secure your iPhone 17 from unwanted purchases, give it a like or watch another tutorial to learn more ways to protect your device. Thanks for watching.